Hello guys, we're going to where?
Movie.
Movie! Samahan nyo kaming manood ng sine, guys. Yung bahay nila, paglabas mo, nandun na yung grocery. Nandun na lahat, guys. Pati meron din silang yung tindahan ng mga Korean, ng mga food, meron din. Kaso walang Filipino food. Paglabas mo ng bahay nila, puro business. Yes?
You see this? That's tobacco storage.
Ah, tobacco storage.
That's why it smells like tobacco.
Yung bus nila, guys, lumang-luma. Wala pa akong nakitang bus dito na bago. Lumang-luma. Why you don't have a bus like a new?
So those are old buses.
Yeah, why?
Because it's a city bus.
What is this? Grocery? Big grocery?
It's a mall. Like
Mall.
The big groceries here. That's the mall.
Nandito na kami, guys. Tignan nyo. 'Di ba? 5 to 10 minutes lang sa amin ang cinema. Oh, 'di ba? Nandito na kami sa malaki na mall. 5 to 10 minutes lang dito, guys, sa kanila. Ayun, may nakita ko mga damit. Alam nyo naman, basta damit.
You go there.
Okay, baba na tayo, guys. Dito na tayo, guys. Tinitignan tayo ng tatlong lalaki na yan. Sabi ng partner ko, don't go. Kasi nalalaman nila pag foreigner ka sa India or kalahi ka nila, nalalaman nila sa kulay. Hindi naman ako kaputian, pero nalalaman nila. Okay. Manigarer-garer pa siya, ginoo ko. Ito, guys, can I go first ba?
Bara, Juni 50 na train. Tayo gaya na.
Nila, guys, tingnan nyo. Hindi sila nag-issue ng ticket, kundi ito yung code lang. Hingin nila yung number.
It's a recliner suite.
Ha? May say again? Okay.
They don't print the paper ticket. They send it digital so that you can save the papers.
Oh.
At कोई chain है ये?
Yeah. Meron din silang Where are we going? Where are we going? Hello, guys, nandito lang kami sa cinema. Manonood kami na. What is that? We'll watch?
This one is a Deadpool 2.
Deadpool 2.
You see this there? Probably this I'm not sure. Take the two glasses, please.
You.
No, it's a 3D.
Thank you.
They have one. You can even sleep. They have a bed. But it's not
Nandito kami sa dulo. What's called of this?
recliner.
Recliner seat. Pwede kang humiga. Na-adjust siya, guys. Papakita ko sa iyo kung paano. Okay, Darshan, can you do? How?
So, you see here? It's like this.
Wait. Then,
You can adjust like however you want, right?
yeah. Ikumpara nyo doon sa simple, yan lang, ganyan lang. Ito yung loob ng cinema. So, ito yung binayaran ni Darshan na upuan.
And you want cold drink also?
No need, I have.
You sure?
Yeah, it's enough.
Sir, they look na popcorn there. Kila paisa alwa.